Okay, deep breath. First time solo traveling, and the world feels huge. Tip 1. Have your route ready before you even land. Planning your first day's accommodation in advance is a game changer. It takes the stress out of that initial arrival fatigue.
Packing light is non-negotiable. If you can't carry it easily, it's a burden, not an asset. Carry on only? Challenge accepted.
Get to know the public transit early. It's the pulse of the city. And look, keep that ticket handy, always.
Even if you're lost, walk like you know exactly where you're going. Body language tells the world you've got this.
Keep your tribe updated. Send your live location to someone back home every time you move to a new spot.
Solo dining isn't scary, it's a date with yourself. A book is the perfect companion if you're feeling a little shy.
You don't need a photographer to capture the memories. A small tripod and a self-timer. 2, and quick feet. If a situation or a shortcut feels wrong, it is wrong. Always trust that gut feeling over a map.
Excuse me, where's the best place to watch the sunset around here? Oh, the secret hill? Amazing, thank you.
Take a moment to document it. The smells, the sounds, the way you felt brave today. Those are the real souvenirs.
Don't rely on the cloud. Download your maps for offline use before you leave your Wi-Fi zone.
Once you're in for the night, lock up and settle in. This is your safe haven.
I did this, and it's beautiful. Solo doesn't mean lonely. It means free.
You're capable of more than you think. Go see the world. On your terms. You've got this.